What's poppin' NLT gang, man? What's going on, man? Happy New Year. Your boy Billy B is back. This time I'm not gonna leave you guys hanging. It's been I believe a whole year since I've been on this channel, but I'm back and I'm taking my trading. I've been trading, but you know, I'm gonna document all of this for you guys because it's been a while, and I told myself this year is a whole new year. I'm gonna start, you know, doing chart breakdowns, doing everything in my power to give you guys the knowledge that I have gained over the years. And I'm excited. With that being said, I'm hoping you guys are having an amazing start to the new year. Things are just gonna get better and better, trust me. For me, you know what I mean? I've been going through a lot, and it's time for me to, like, you know, take it to the next level, you know what I mean, and stop procrastinating, because we all do it here and there. And you know, it's a new year, so it's always a good time to start fresh and accomplish all the goals that you guys want to accomplish for the year, you know what I mean? So I got some goals that I want to accomplish, and I got to get it done, you know what I mean? So let's get to it. I'm about to give you guys the breakdown on this trade that I caught yesterday, and I'm also in two other trades right now that are running beautiful right now at the moment. And let's go chop it up. Let's get it. Chart breakdown. So yeah, back on the charts, man. It's been a while since I did this. How I was able to catch this trade right here, let me show you guys, for like a 2-to-1, like a 2.8 risk to reward trade. Very simple, you know what I'm saying? Once you understand which way the market is moving, then it becomes a lot simpler, like, you know what I mean? So let me break it down for you guys. I usually start off on the weekly to identify what the weekly is doing. So as you guys can see, the weekly is literally bullish. It's a bullish market right now. I put my notes in. Okay, weekly is bullish, and then then I head over to the daily. And once I realize what the daily is doing, I mark it up. I'm like, okay, what is the daily doing? The daily it was bullish, and then the market shift. Once it did this right here, and automatically in my head I'm like, okay, if the daily shift to bearish, I know the 4 hours already bearish. So once I noticed that, I went down to the 4 hour. I already know it's bearish because I've been doing this for a while. So I noticed that it was bearish on the 4 hour because price did break down, as you guys can see here. Price broke down, boom, and then pulled back, and price stayed bearish. And on the 4 hour, it kind of created like another head and shoulders pattern, in a way, inverted head and shoulders, but at the same time a double top. But as I waited for this thing to form, because you can't just jump in the market. Before I even go there, I actually marked my zone. These blue areas are my zones, the area of interest. So I'm like, if price breaks below this area right here and pulls back to this area, this is the area that I want to sell at. So once price broke down here, I realized that, okay, I have to wait and see what the price is gonna do here to give me my entry signal. So I waited, and price literally came to exactly to my zone area, hit the EMA, came down. I did not enter yet because they didn't give me confirmation. Price still was, you know, doing this thing. And then once price did this, I was like, okay, now it's kind of time to look to see what's going down on the 1 hour, the 30 minutes. And I broke it down. I went down to the I put this little trend line right here. I don't really use trend lines, but I just put this little trend line just to see, you know what I mean? Okay, if price breaks below this, then I think price might go down. But the main area I was looking at was this area right here, this zone right here, because I was like, okay, if price breaks below this area right here, then I believe price will head to the downside. And that's exactly what it did. So what I did was went to the 30-minute, and literally once price broke below this low right here, this previous low, I entered the trade, and it went sideways for a while. It came back up, and then just dropped, and look how far down it came. Imagine if I held it until, like, let's just say right here, or the end of this. That would have been like a 5-to-1. That would have been beautiful. That would have been a beautiful trade. But I still won on the market, you know what I mean? I still won, and it was, you know, easy trades, really simple, because As you guys can see on a 4-hour, no, on a daily, it had a beautiful head and shoulders pattern right here. Beautiful head and shoulders. The head and shoulders always, you know, they always come clutch, especially when they doing the retest. You know what I mean? So to be able to catch this move while it was doing its thing, it was beautiful. And I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all to GBP NZD. I'm actually in this trade. Same scenario, same kind of scenario. I entered a little early on this one, but basically same scenario. I didn't wait. I kind of got in a little early because it did give me my entry signal on the 30-minute around here. When price was pulling back to this zone right here, it actually gave me my entry signal right here, and I took it. And it almost took me out. I ain't gonna much lie. It almost took me out right here and over here. But price, good thing my stop loss was at a decent spot, and now I'm floating like about, let me see where I'm at right now, 2-to-1 right now. So that's good. But I still got a little bit more ways to go. So that's what I'm waiting for it to hit this zone, and it should hit this zone by the end of the day. If it's not, it is what it is. And again, guys, it was a nice head and shoulders pattern. As you guys can see, the head and shoulders wins all the time. There was a nice double top on the daily, I think. Yes, nice double top. Price broke down previous structure, came back for the pullback to that zone, and then price broke down. So now my target is down here, literally right here, and I'm waiting. It came down here, but it just doing a little pullback on the intradays. So yeah, guys, and the final trade that I'm in right now is AUD JPY. I actually took this one on a small account, but it's doing its thing. I already know, you know, there's a little support right here, so I'm trying to see what's gonna happen between this zone. Hopefully it breaks below and come back and then hit my TP. So, but so far everything's going good, guys. The beginning of the year is great. It's treating your boy great right now, you know what I'm saying? So I appreciate that. The gods are with me, you know what I mean? And this, I could say it's a head and shoulders, but it's an ugly head and shoulder. Let me see. Oh yeah, 4-hour beautiful head and shoulder. You see, guys, head and shoulders, they work. You just gotta wait till the price get to that zone, guys. Just wait till that zone get, and then once price hits that zone, that area, it's just, you know, look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Look how beautiful this looks on the daily. And I said I don't use trend lines, but I really don't. I just kind of mark it up to see what price will do. You know what I mean? Well, I guess you can say I use it just as another confluence in a way. But let's see. I'm predicting price to come all the way down here. If it breaks this, if it breaks below this, it's definitely heading all the way down here. So my thing is, I don't know if I'm gonna hold. I don't think I'm gonna hold this to that. But unless it just completely just drops and do some crazy stuff, then I'll do it. I'll just hold on, because that was like, yeah, you guys can see I did take 2 losses. When was this? The 6th? Yeah, the 2nd and the 6th. But I already made the money back, so it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, if you guys want to learn more about trading, man, just join my free Telegram group. You know what I'm saying? It will be down below, man. I'm gonna be vlogging more. I'm gonna be doing different stuff when I'm out with the fellas, you know, car life, you know what I'm saying? Just hanging out, or if I'm with my family or whatever, this would be my space to like, you know, do what I want to do. You know, show you my side of my life, you know what I mean? So not only just trading, but just in general, you know what I mean? Just showing y'all a different side, you know what I mean? And yeah, man, I'm excited. 2025, we here. I'm happy you guys are following me. Make sure you guys subscribe, like the videos, comment what y'all want me to talk about, what y'all want me to show y'all on the charts or whatever, and I'm down to do it. So yeah, man, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the Telegram group, because we are giving out free trades on there. So stay tuned if you guys want to, you know, get a little tip or something. Join that thing. You know what I'm saying? But I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces. NLT